everybody! So today we are in New York City and we are going to be teaching some of our fans and some press our choreography to Sledgehammer. It's going to be so much fun, so come on with us.
Hi! I love you too! Put some pep in that step.
I'm running in and out.
That's a stretch.
Yeah, you know? Stretch behind the scenes, backstage, you know. So we like hard out at like 8. Ben, what's that? Ben, what's that? Yeah, what
These
is that?
stretches are called Biggie and Smalls.
Yeah. You know,
like
I'm
Biggie and
obviously
Smalls?
Biggie and she's Smalls.
Yeah. You're not lucky.
Dinah's always got a speaker on, so.
It's a constant jam session. Big Rob, you gonna partake in the dance as
I
well?
bring my sweatpants with me, you know what I'm saying?
Big Rob's gonna bust a move.
I bring my sweatpants, sorry. They're trying to get me to dance. I have to.
Y'all ready for Fifth Harmony? Y'all ready?
It's a lot going on. I got you, Stopolina. I got you, Stopolina. Hey.
Big Rob, shut your face.
Because I went,
All right.
Got smell good. Chanel blue. Chanel blue.
Who left? So knock this out, please.
We're gonna teach a dance class now. Wow. Because I'm a dancer. Me. I'm just gonna get down. Mila, what? Don't slip. Don't slip. Cause I feel the fever. And I won't lie. Break this way. Oh man, you took the camera away right when I did that. I'm a dancer.
Where?
Oh. I'm probably gonna slip in these socks too. It's the best socks I own. I love these socks. I'm so passionate about them. See, this guy does all the moves like 10 times better.
Yeah, no, he is like.
And it makes me feel really bad. Stop it. Don't do that. Really good. He's getting it. Yeah, you wipe that sweat off. If you could feel my heart right now.
It feels just like a sledgehammer.
Sledge. The melody.
Just like the melody. The melody sounds just like a sledgehammer. Let's go in.
Okay. Yay, we're gonna go in.
Yay! Hope I don't slip.
So how about we show you what we've done and then maybe you guys can add on, yeah? Okay, cool. So can we show them from the top? Do not walk like you're walking your dog or you're like in the grocery store. You have to put some oomph in the walk, okay? Some sass. I see it already. Boom. I don't admit it. Drop. Boom. I play it boom. Drop. Boom. Because every minute, drop. Boom. That I'm with you to the right.
Hey, you're so good.
You're around just a little, it's a little, okay. You know, have a little moment with your friend, your girlfriend, like, in the clouds.
Probably the most amazing thing that I've done in ages.
Being able to dance with the girls and learn their own choreography with them was so cool.
The best part was when there wasn't choreography and we just got to like jam out and we were all together. It was just really cute to feel like together.
Silly picture. 1, 2, 3. Work up in here.
Good?
That was so fun.
It was so much fun. They got so much. That was so much fun, especially having little kids there. That was a great experience.
Yay, it was so much fun. Thank you so much everybody who came out. We had a blast with a lot of us too. Yeah. Big Rob, why did you
I was in the background dancing.
Big Rob should have taken the class. He would have been like. He would have covered. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight and learning the routine to Sledgehammer. Hope you guys enjoyed it and got that arm in.
Woo! Love you
guys.
Yay!
New York killed it.
Love you, Sarah. I had so much fun with you. You're such a great dancer.